This is a 35 Westinghouse electric table fan. I bought it at an antique store. What it had written on it when I bought it, it said, "Nice old fan, makes a good door stopper. The fan does not run." I thought that was kind of funny, but I picked it up and bought it anyway. I brought it home. The only thing that's wrong with it, the power cord it goes to is all brittle, and all the coating came off and the wires touched, and that's pretty much why they thought that it didn't work no more. So what I did is I cut the old cord off, and I just kind of have a newer cord plugged into the old one, the only part that's left that's good of the old cord, just so I could try it out and see how it runs. Okay, the only thing I really have to do with it is replace the power cord on it, repaint it, and fix the gearbox in the back for the oscillator.